Hi there, guys. Joe here with another video. Today I'm working on an Audi A5. It's a 2019 model year, and today I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil service light on the car. Right, what you do is switch your car on, pressing the button. It's keyless. Ignition on. Then you're gonna press the menu button on here, and you're gonna come to that screen on your infotainment system. That's where you can toggle through all the different menus. If you press confirm, and you'll get that screen again. What you do, you move the little joy wheel to the left, and then it will come up with another screen. Right, what we rotate it down to service and checks, and you can do reset your tire pressure system there. Check your oil level, and your service intervene is here. Just press and confirm, and then it will ask you reset oil change interval. Press and confirm, and then you say yes, and the new reset has gone in, which is, as you can see, a year, 11,000 miles. Hope this helps. See you next time. Thank you.